Alright, welcome back. 10-second challenge. I'm going to just use two characteristics for this cartoon. I'm going to use a dog, and I'm going to have the dog doing karate. So he's going to have a karate uniform. Okay, 10-second challenge. Oh, sorry. 5 seconds. And go. And that's about it. Alright, it's tough, it's tricky. I probably have to learn to do less lines, but remember the gi. Do your research on a karate gi if you can't remember. Give him a little bit of hair there. Toes. Legs a little short, but that's about right. Kind of for 10 seconds or even 30 seconds to a minute. It's a 10-second challenge. If you can do, at least if you can get the skeleton done in 10 seconds, that's saying something. You get a posture. You can always fill in the details for another 10 seconds every day, depending how much time you got. Sorry if the light's a little bit too intense. I only got one light source here. And then again, using my, I don't know what they call these, diamond erasers. Go in and just kind of get rid of the excess sketch lines. I kind of like this right here. This is a happy accident. Let me zoom in and show you. Sometimes you see some karate guys with bandages around their wrists. You see that a lot in video games. So keep the wrists straight or something like that. That's kind of cool. And give them a little hairy chest. I was thinking, I don't know if that's the right character, Hong Kong Phooey. He was a dog, I think. It's been a while. And you got your little karate dog. Commit to some lines, make him a black belt, so you fill that in a bit. It's usually just kind of like long, pointed rectangles at the end. But again, building a skeletal posture and doing that in a relatively quick time, it's not a bad little drill. Give him a couple claws here. And that's some of the best things you can do for practicing human anatomy. Well, drawing somebody live, that's probably one of the best things, but still learning how to draw different postures, looking at postures, maybe pausing movies and see, copy a posture from a show that somebody's in, and you can just do it as a stick figure. But that's how you get better. That's, you just keep at it, keep motivating yourself, and yeah. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. That's a 10-second challenge. Hey, I need to get better too, so this is good practice for me. Thanks for watching.